Hi, how are you doing? I'm back again. Today we're going to be talking about the Anker PowerCore battery, and it's called the PowerCore because it is like a nuclear power plant. Basically it's got 26,800 milliamp hours, which means it can charge such phones like the P30 Pro, one of the largest batteries in the world at the moment, over 6 times, like 6.3 times something. And if you've got an older phone, it'll probably do like 10 or 15 times. So these are meant to last for about a week when you use them. So say if you were going camping, to a festival, like a weekend festival, this would easily last you the time for the whole weekend. But it does have 3 USB holes there. 1, 2, 3. So if you got your friends all plugged into this at the same time, maybe it might not last a week, because if they take their phones and they buy the crappy, this is what happened to me because I went to a festival recently and they started using mine as well. It still lasted the whole weekend, but only just. But if you're a bit selfish, you keep it to yourself, hide it in your pocket or something, this would be perfect. Now the good thing about this, I don't know if you can see it, it has 2 USB mini connections on there. You get these 2 cables with it, and what you can do is you plug these 2 in, and basically that means that a similar power pack of this size would normally take over 12 hours to charge. With this 2, using the Anker dual USB plug, you can charge this within 6 hours. So I think 6 hours worth of charging for a whole week's worth of power is definitely worth it. But anyway, the only problem with this is all you get with it is you get the carry case, you get the 2 cables, and you get the power bank, but you don't get the plug. So you've got to pay an extra £10 or $10 for this little plug. And this thing itself costs about £49 or around £50 or $50 as well. Now there is a newer version of this out, but it's only got 2 connections on it like that. It can charge any smartphone, iPhone, tablet, also can charge MacBooks. But apparently I do believe they need a special cable to do it. But there is a newer version, but the problem is it costs £100. But the advantage of the newer version, I'll link that in the description. I'll also I'll leave a link for this. It'll be an affiliate Amazon link. So if you do use that, I will get a little bit of benefit. And I'll also link the newer version, but it's twice the price. But it has USB charging, so you won't need 2. You'll just have 1 USB in. But unfortunately, you'll only have 2 USB out. But apparently, it can charge all of the MacBooks completely. But anyway, just for your phone or your tablet, you should be fine. If you look in the, actually I did see in the reviews that this can definitely charge all MacBooks, even the MacBook Pro, using a special cable. Anyway, weighs 495 grams, which is exactly 1 pound and 1.4 ounces. So it's pretty good. Anyway, all the stuff I put on my channel, anything I review on my channel, I use myself. So it's definitely recommended by me, 100% Jim. And it's definitely recommended by all of my friends who I went on that bloody festival with, because they loved this. Because after theirs all ran out after the first or second day, this one was still going strong. But it did get to the end at the end, because when everyone was borrowing it to charge their phones. So yeah, that is it. That is the Anker Power Bank, PowerCore. Use the descriptions below. Check me out on Twitter, Instagram. I'm all over the place. I'm everywhere. Also, I have a Patreon if you want to check that out. I have numerous ways to donate if you want to help me out the channel. And if this video helped you at all in your decision to buy a battery, let me know. But yeah, that's about it really. One more thing to say. Always remember, stay 100% real and stay 100% Jim. I'll see you later.